Hi, this is Rick, and welcome to the DirectCaster.com podcast. I'm glad you could be here with us today. Today we're going to do something we get a lot of requests for. We're going to go ahead and take a look at what our backend software looks like. How do you manage your channel? How do you manage your videos? What exactly does that type of interface look like? Before we get started, I'd like you to ask if you're enjoying this content. Please like and subscribe. Every little bit helps us out because we really do have a goal here of getting people online and helping them get their own streaming channels. It's a great way to realize the thoughts and visions that you've been having, put them into reality, create a streaming channel, and maybe even make a little money at the process by taking subscriptions, selling ads, and doing other things with your channel. There's a lot of possibilities. So without too much further ado, we're going to get started now. We're going to bring up, first of all, our sample home screen. This is a home screen example with two channels that are showing both our demo channels. So the first thing you'll see here is that up in the top right of this, you're going to see how many categories, videos, and errors you have. It's important to note the errors because if there are any errors in your channel, it could be affecting your performance, and you'd want to click on those and correct those. Over here in this area, we're going to have the 5 newly added videos, the last 5 newly added videos. They're going to come down here. And here we're going to have all the menu items that you can explore over on this side right here. These are all the menu items that you can explore. So I'm going to start off with the categories. So the categories menu item allows you to either add a new category or view all of your existing categories. In each one of your categories, you'll be able to chance to give it a sort order. You can change the order it sorts. You can show if it's active, if it's a series, if it's a free preview category. And you'll be able to edit all the great details about the category, including giving it a photo. So that's really helpful. Some of the apps, especially our web app, does display photos for every category, so it's really helpful. The next thing we're going to take a look at real quick is our video section. So this section allows you to view all the videos in the system. So we can view the videos in new releases. We can view the videos in our most popular section, in our live stream section. We can go ahead and view all the videos for the channel. For every video, you can see the format it's in. You can sort the video if you want it to come up in a certain order. And over here, you can have all sorts of options, including giving it a name, giving it a description, saying if it's active or not in the system, and then assigning it to one or more categories. Can also give it a parent category. You can put in the links. Here it's really important to note that you can browse our system for the links. Let's take Vimeo here, for instance. Let's go over here to Vimeo. Let's bring this up. We can search for a video, and then we could actually go ahead and insert that video. So let's just search for a video named training, see if there's anything that's coming up in training. And yeah, we got some Betty Boop there, training pigeons. We got a little software training. And now we picked up the word that's training here. So you could just go ahead and select that video right there from Vimeo and go ahead and add that video right in. Makes it really nice and easy. You can also change the photo out from here. You can also you can give it aliases and series aliases. This is a little advanced feature which we have on some of our apps, especially our Roku app, that lets you take and just create one video cover and then go to a separate page where you're browsing all the episodes for that video series. So it makes it really nice. So you can do a lot of things in here in the videos section. The next thing we're going to do is go into importing videos. And we do offer, we're going to go over here, a number of ways to import. We offer to import Vimeo videos or Bunny Stream videos. We also can help you import Amazon S3, that's done on the video screens themselves, so you can store in any one of those, Vimeo, Bunny Stream, Amazon S3. And one nice thing really interesting about our system is that our system lets you store videos anywhere you like. Even if you wanted to store videos on your website, if you had a really beefy web server and you wanted to store them there, you could. So we can integrate with just about any CDN. So a lot of our customers ask us, well, why do you do that? Why don't you go ahead and store the videos right in your own system? And the answer is, we like to save you money. It costs a lot of money, especially at our competitors. They try to store the videos and then they charge you for the bandwidth. That's something that we don't do. We do not upcharge the actual bandwidth for playing your videos to you. Now, why don't we do that? Because we do what we like. We have a whole network of channels that our company operates, as well as operating our platform here to bring people just like yourself onto our system and have them streaming their own channel content. What we found in our experiences is that we were always getting upcharged by people who are providers for us. They were always marking up all the costs. And we said, what if we could take that savings and pass it directly on to you? What if we were not in the business, when we have our own platform, of marking up video bandwidth? What if we allow you to find the very best deal you can, give you an integration into that system so you can easily bring that content in, and then you can experience a low charge bandwidth environment and save money. Because a lot of what this is about is you've got to afford the cost. And if you're paying video bandwidth charges from a company that's marking everything up and saying, oh, you played so many videos and now you have to pay us more, but it's really a lot more than what that company's paying, you don't need that hassle. So we pass the savings directly on to you, but our software integrates directly with these other providers, making it very, very easy for you. It's really, really simple to bring in these videos. So we're in Vimeo. You can import the videos into Vimeo here. You can, right here, you can either import the Vimeo ID or you can view all the Vimeo videos. You can also import Bunny Stream videos in there. That's from Bunny CDN. You can even import YouTube videos. You can either import single YouTube videos or you could choose to import your whole channel. Now, one quick caveat in this, the actual video file you must upload because YouTube does not allow the actual downloading of the video files. That's one thing it does not allow. So what this is rather is it gets everything else, all your descriptions, all your metadata, the length of the video, all the technical details it needs. But you do need to link it into your actual video file. And that's real simple to do. We again integrate with everything. I can just show you. I'm going to go here and import my YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and look at it. Think about it for a second. It should bring those videos right in. There we are. And now I could just choose to add the video. When I do add the video, it brings up everything for me, just like that. But it does require me to go ahead and put the URLs where it's hosted. But it gives me these nice, convenient little browsing buttons here. So all I really have to do is just bring it right up. Let's say if it's hosted on Vimeo. Let's say my video's name was training again. I wanted to search for that. And it'll take a minute here just to search for that video. And we're going to see Betty Boop. Oh, there's training pigeons. I'd want to get that, and I could just select it. It would go ahead and it would put all that information down there. And as long as I had the right name and title and everything else, then that would be the video I'd have. Now, naturally, I just search for a very, very simple little video right there. It was a very easy one that I searched for because I knew the word training. You would actually search for the video with your title, and then you would just click save. So it makes it very easy to import your YouTube channel videos. A few other things we have. It's really important to talk about some of our add-ons. Now these are available for our Pro Channel Services customers that go ahead. We have our standard rate. We have our standard rate of basic channel hosting, but then we also have our Pro Channel Services. Now Pro Channel Services can do things like allow you to play your own ads right within your content. Every 7 minutes you can play your ads on your Roku channel. You can play your own custom ads, or you can play brokered ads. So this is one thing that the add-ons allow. There's also a channel email list where you can go ahead and have people subscribe to your email list. And you can do that right through your Roku channel. It's very, very convenient. There's also PayPal subscriptions. That's a service where you can have people subscribe through PayPal and then have them access your channel. And then there is the Roku search feed. This is very important. You can actually get all your titles searchable through Roku. Very, very, very helpful. And again, that is for Pro Channel Services customers who have opted to have those systems implemented on their channel. So now we're going to just talk about users. You can have extra users here. We can go ahead and assign extra users. You can have guest users. You can have master users. You can add it. So as we go over all the software, you can see that it's very simple the way we do that. And by the way, if you need to switch to another channel, we're going to move from the demo channel to the MIC movie demo channel. It's just that easy. And then you can be editing content on another channel that you have. So I hope you've enjoyed that today. Please, let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to see, and we'll be sure to show that for you. So thanks again so much for watching today on the DirectCaster.com podcast. Remember, if you need a channel, please contact us. We are very happy to help you get going. All right, and take care. See you next time.